Understanding Conference Schedule, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of professional events with a focus on understanding what a conference schedule is. If you've ever planned to attend a conference or are curious about how they're organized, this video is for you. Let's decode the term conference schedule together and make sure you're fully prepared for your next big event. Before we talk about a conference schedule, let's define what a conference is. A conference is a large, organized meeting where people gather to discuss specific topics, share research, and exchange ideas. These events can be focused on a wide range of subjects, from technology and education to health and the arts. Conferences are great opportunities for networking, learning, and professional development. Now, let's delve into the main topic. Conference schedule. A conference schedule is an organized timetable of all the events, sessions, and activities that will take place during a conference. It includes keynote speeches. These are main talks given by prominent figures in the field, designed to inspire and engage the audience. Panel discussions. Sessions where a group of experts discusses a specific topic in front of an audience, often followed by a Q&A session. Workshops. Interactive sessions where attendees can learn new skills or delve deeper into specific subjects. Networking events. Opportunities for attendees to meet and connect with each other in a more informal setting. Understanding the conference schedule helps attendees plan their time effectively, ensuring they don't miss out on sessions that are most relevant to their interests. Using a conference schedule effectively requires a bit of planning. Here are some tips. Highlight key sessions you don't want to miss. Prioritize these in your personal planner. Allocate time for networking. These moments can be just as valuable as the formal sessions. Be flexible. Sometimes, the most interesting opportunities come from spontaneous decisions to attend a session you hadn't planned on. We hope this video has shed some light on what a conference schedule is and how you can make the most out of it. Conferences are fantastic venues for growth and learning, and understanding the schedule is key to maximizing your experience. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips. See you in the next video.